Hey everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to start a Zoom meeting on iPhone. Open up Zoom. And make sure you're logged in. And once you're logged in, head to the home page. Tap on the Start button, which is the orange button. Choose your options. And tap Start a Meeting. And you will have started a meeting. To invite someone, tap on Participants on the bottom and tap Invite. And you can copy the invite link, send a message to your contacts, or just tap Invite Contacts. And to end the meeting, simply tap End on the top right. And tap End Meeting for All. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave us a like, comment if you have any more questions, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Bye!